Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find the option General Management. And here we have to tap on Reset. As you can see, the Reset Network Settings option is right in the middle, so let's tap on it, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on Reset Settings. If you've got a pattern PIN or password, just enter it to confirm the whole step. Here we've got also the information that this action cannot be undone, so just tap on Reset if you're ready, and as you can see we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.